Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to cancel ExpressVPN subscription on iPhone. So guys, first thing what you will do in order for you to cancel your ExpressVPN subscription, just simply go to the settings. And from here on the settings guys, just simply go ahead and tap on your profile on the top over here or your Apple ID. And from here, just simply go for subscriptions. And from here, guys, you should be able to see your ExpressVPN subscription. So just simply tap on that here at the active tab. So since I don't have an ExpressVPN subscription, I won't be able to show you, but I will be using Scribe as an example. And from here, just simply tap on cancel free trial. And guys, in other cases, it will be cancel subscription plan. And from here, when you tap on the cancel, you should be able to cancel it. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And I hope this helps you understand more about canceling a subscription. Thanks for watching. See ya.